In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files, but was unable to fix some of them problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying solutions. The first solution is to repair our files with another CMD code. To do this, we go to search and run cmd as admin. After running cmd as admin, we type chkdsk/f and press enter. After doing this, we type y and continue. It will start repairing our files on reboot. We restart our computer to start the repair process. If we press any key here, we will skip the check, so we don't do that. As you can see, it is repairing our disk. The repair process is finished. This was the first solution. If this solution didn't work for you, we will move on to the second solution. Also, don't forget to like the video if you haven't already. The second solution is to do an alternative file verification process. To do this, we go to search as we did in the first solution and run cmd as admin. There are 3 codes that we need to type in cmd. I will put these codes in the description. You can copy and paste them into cmd from there. We type the first code and press enter. This may take a while because it verifies our files. In the same way, we type the second code and press enter. Finally, we type the third code and press enter. We have verified our system files. Now, we need to restart our computer. If we continue to have problems, we will move on to the third and final solution. The last solution is to run our computer in safe mode and run sfc/scannow code in safe mode. We can use safe mode to solve the problem we are having. To run our computer in safe mode, we right click on the Windows icon and open settings. After that, we click on system. Scroll down and click recovery. Then we click restart now. After doing this, a screen like this will open. What we need to click here is troubleshoot. After doing that, we click on advanced options. Then we click on startup settings and restart. After doing this, we will get a page like this. The key we need to press for safe mode is the F4 key. We have started our computer in safe mode. Now, we will open cmd as admin. After doing this, we type sfc/scannow and press enter. This way, we can run the code. We are done with safe mode. Now, we can turn it off. What we need to do to turn off safe mode is press Windows and R keys at the same time. After opening run, type msconfig and click OK. After doing this, we click on boot from the top. Here, we tick safe boot and then untick it again. After that, we click apply and then OK. And finally, we click restart. We restarted our computer. As you can see, safe mode is not disabled. I hope you were able to run the code without any problems. If you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments section. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.